Welcome to our channel. If you're applying for a loan, follow these step-by-step instructions to prepare all necessary bank documents and improve approval chances. Step 1. Gather bank statements from the past 2 to 3 months. Lenders review statements to verify income, assess spending habits, and confirm you have funds for down payments. Step 2. Organize pay stubs from the past 30 to 60 days. Recent pay stubs prove current employment and income, which are crucial factors in loan approval decisions. Step 3. Collect 2 years of tax returns, including all schedules and W-2 forms. Tax documents verify income history and are required for most significant loans like mortgages. Step 4. Compile proof of additional income from side jobs, investments, or benefits. 1,099 forms, benefit letters, or investment statements. Step 5. Prepare documentation of any large deposits in your bank accounts. Lenders scrutinize unusual deposits and require written explanations with supporting documentation. Step 6. Gather statements for all assets including savings, investments, retirement accounts, and property. Lenders want to see you have reserves beyond the down payment and closing costs. Step 7. Document your debts with statements for credit cards, loans, and other obligations. Lenders calculate debt-to-income ratios to ensure you can afford new loan payments. Step 8. Create a letter explaining any negative items in your financial history. Provide context for credit issues, employment gaps, or other concerns lenders may question. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.